Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem. So let's fix this issue together. You have to just follow my screen and the problem will be solved. Just go to the search bar, and firstly we have to open the on-screen keyboard. For that, just go to the settings and you have to right click on the start icon, select settings, then go to the accessibility, just select accessibility, just scroll down and click on keyboards and enable this option on screen keyboard. Once we are here, we have to go to the search bar and type here CMD and then click on run as administrator, select S, and here we need to execute the command. You will get this command in the description below. Just copy that command and paste it here. That command will be dism.exe space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. You have to just copy that command from the description below and just right click on the blank area to paste that command here. You can also use this bar, select edit and paste that command here, and also you can use the on-screen keyboard and simply hit enter to execute the command. And this will take some time to complete the process. Till then we will execute the next process. That will be, just go to the search bar, or you can right click on this start icon, select device manager, then go to the keyboards, right click here, select properties, then select drivers tab, click on update driver, and then select the first option. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection, so click here and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Close all windows one by one, and so again you have to type here run, click on it to open it, then type here control keyboard, click on OK, and make sure you have to set the repeat rate up to the highest level, and then click on OK, and you have to type exit once the process completes and close the window, and then to start the system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel. Please check out the pinned comment.